Hey everyone! So finally, Kling, Minimax, and even Veo, they've all stopped giving free credits. But my lovely viewers, your timing couldn't be better, because right now, ByteDance has launched its brand new AI video generation model, Seedance 1.0. And here's the best part. This model isn't just powerful, it's topping the charts, even beating big names like Veo and Kling in the rankings. Now, listen closely. In this video, I'm gonna show you 2 smart tricks that'll let you use this model completely free. And yes, unlimited. That's right. You'll be able to generate unlimited videos with no credit limits, no restrictions, nothing to worry about. The whole credit issue? Gone! Just make your videos freely, as much as you want. Now just look at the screen. The video quality is insane. The professional camera movements? You probably haven't seen anything like this before. You can clearly see the results, and believe me, this is way more better than Veo 3. So let's start. First, go to Google and search Dreamina AI. Now, when you open the first link, it might show you an error. If that happens, don't worry. It just means this tool isn't officially available in your country yet. All you need to do is install any free VPN extension, connect it to the USA, and then refresh the page. Once that's done, you'll see the Dreamina AI interface appear, just like this. If you're opening it on mobile, make sure to enable desktop site in your browser settings. Also, just download any free VPN app from the Play Store and connect it to a US server. After that, the rest of the process is exactly the same. All right, now click on the Create Now button. Next, you'll need to sign up using the Continue with Email option. And this is where we use our first trick. Instead of using your real email, we're gonna use Temp Mail. The process is super simple. Just go to the Temp Mail website and copy any temporary email they give you. Paste that email here on the sign up page. Now go back to Temp Mail, you'll see a verification code in your inbox, copy that code, paste it here, and boom, your account is ready. And the best part? You can repeat this exact same process again and again to create unlimited accounts. Once your account is ready, you'll see your credits showing at the bottom left corner. Right now, we're getting 120 free credits daily, which is honestly more than enough. So technically, you don't even need Temp Mail every time. You can just use multiple Gmail accounts if you want. But wait, don't go anywhere. In the next trick, I'll show you how to get unlimited credits using just one account. For now, let's explore what we've got here. You'll see 3 options on the screen: AI image, AI video, and AI avatar. Since we're here to generate videos, we'll be using the AI video feature. To create videos, I usually get some cool prompts using ChatGPT, so now we're gonna test a few of them one by one. Our first prompt is something like this. Just copy it and paste the prompt into the text box and hit generate. Now let's try another one. This time it's for a time-lapse style video. I'll paste that prompt too and test how it looks. Now here's something important to know. For each video you create using the This model, it costs 50 credits. So yeah, with one account, you can only make 2 full videos. There's also another model that costs just 40 credits, but honestly, the video quality there isn't that great. But just look at what we're getting here, it's absolutely stunning. Seriously, watching AI create videos like this, it's oddly satisfying. Just feels so relaxing to the eyes. And yes, you can also download the video from here. But there's a catch, it adds a big watermark on your video. Don't worry though, I'll show you how to remove that watermark later in the video. So after using up all the credits from the first account, so I am signing out and simply went back to Temp Mail and grabbed a new temporary email. Then I signed up again, super easy. Now, in this new account, I created 2 more videos, and just look at the results. They turned out absolutely perfect. There's even an option to add a soundtrack to your video. And the best part? It only costs 10 credits. And the cool part is, it automatically picks the right music for your video without you doing anything. So, now, let's talk about how to remove the watermark from your video. For that, we're gonna use an amazing AI tool called Vmake AI. Here's what you need to do. Just go to Google and search Vmake AI watermark remover. Click on the first link you see. From there, you can easily upload your video and remove the watermark completely clean. With Vmake AI, you can remove the watermark from 3 videos at once, all in one go. But keep this in mind, each video should be 5 seconds or less. If your clip is, let's say, 10 seconds long, no worries. Just split it into 2 parts and then remove the watermark from each part separately. And very interesting thing about this is you don't need to sing up. That's really amazing, right? All right, Now let's move on to our second trick, and this one's gonna give you unlimited credits using just a single account. For this, we'll need to use a specific VPN extension called Urban VPN. After adding the extension connected to either Nigeria or Algeria, these two locations are key. Now listen, using Urban VPN isn't compulsory, but whichever VPN you use, just make sure it has Nigeria or Algeria as a location option. That's super important for this trick to work. Now I connect my VPN to Nigeria or Algeria, then go to Google and search for Dreamina AI again. After that, I open the site, and this time I sign up using a new email. I'm using Temp Mail for this as well. Once the sign up is complete, you'll notice that your new account shows 0 credits. Also, if you look at the top, you'll see that the AI video and AI avatar options say coming soon. That's happening because this model hasn't officially launched in these countries yet. But don't worry, there's a clever trick to fix this, and I'm gonna show you how. Now here's the real trick. Just change your VPN location. So the one you selected earlier, either Nigeria or Algeria, you'll switch that now to the United States. Once you're connected to a US server, simply reload the page. And boom, the AI video option is now available. Even though the credits still show 0, don't worry at all. Just enter your prompt and click generate, and guess what? The video starts generating and it's using 0 credits. That's right, this trick lets you create videos without spending any credits. And not just 1 or 2, you can create as many as you want. Unlimited videos, totally free, just by following this trick. As you can see, I've already generated more than 10 videos, and if I want, I can create even more right now. But obviously, this trick is temporary. It might stop working after a few days. So, depending on when you're watching this video, it's possible that this method might not work anymore. But don't worry, the first trick I showed you, that one's more reliable and should keep working for quite a while. So now, tell me in the comments, how did you like this video? And before you go, drop some cool video ideas for the next one too. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and keep creating.